So good day guys, welcome to Trendy channel. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to get clients as a Nigerian graphic designer, mostly using Pixellab. So this video will be short and brief. Let's just go straight to the point. So I believe this is my first time of showing my face on my channel, and this is the brain behind Trendy channel that you've been seeing all this while. So now one of the things that you need to get clients as a Nigeria graphic designer, mostly using Pixellab. When you tell people you design with phone, there's this mentality like there's this mentality that they have. Can you deliver? Can you do all those things? So for you to prove them wrong, one of the things you need to do is to create a portfolio. Now, if this is your first time of getting to hear portfolio or your first time of hearing portfolio, now portfolio is just like a description, a narration of what you do, your identity, like what you really do. Now this portfolio contain some of your credentials, that are some of the things you've acquired, some of the school, and some of just tell who you are, and at the same time you sample your job. Now there's an aspect that will tell about your credentials, and there's also an aspect that will tell about some of the things you acquired, where you've worked before, your working experience as a graphic designer. Then there's an aspect of that portfolio that will also tell about the things that your design, that's your sample, and some of the things that you've gotten. So that's just the essence of portfolio. Now, because there are some companies that will hire you and they will need your portfolio, mostly all these real estate company and some of the outstanding companies. When you go, you submit your CV, they will also ask for your portfolio. It is your portfolio that also convince them for them to be able to employ you, or they will not employ you. Then create at least five different designs or five varieties of design in that portfolio. It shouldn't be just fire only, it shouldn't be real estate only, it shouldn't be it should just be, it should cut across all kind of design, anything you can imagine. Are you getting me? So now the second thing now is to post on your WhatsApp and create a broadcast. Now, if you don't really know how to create a broadcast, you can as well just go on YouTube here and also search how to create a broadcast. Now, when you're posting on your WhatsApp, you post your design regularly on your WhatsApp. Now, there are some persons, the truth is, you will not have clients immediately you start posting. But the truth is, there's this part of nature that that rewards consistency. So immediately you start posting daily and keep on telling your client that okay, just keep on telling people that okay, I'm a designer and I charge this and I charge that. Even now, when people are charging, for example, 10k for a design, now for the fact that you're starting, don't charge us 10k. You can charge something like 3,000, or just like we normally say 2k graphic designer. Yeah, it's a process you pass through, but you need to outgrow that 2k graphic designer. You can also even start with 2k. As a matter of fact, my first paid job as a graphic designer was 500 naira, and I was so happy. Yeah, but now we are charging 10k, 7k, 5k for a job, but at then it was just 500 naira. So you just bring your price down and post regularly on your WhatsApp page. Then the second one is join Facebook group. Now there are Facebook group that you will join on on Facebook, also on tele okay on Facebook rather. I think Facebook is a selling point when it comes to this. Now join Facebook group. Now this group now, they will help you expose you to other graphic designer. You will not only get clients from there, but you also learn from those that have gone ahead of you, even in the Pixel Lab journey. I think subsequently I will list some of the groups that you need to join on Facebook as a graphic designer. Now, when you join the group, you post regularly. Now, don't be ashamed to post your design, even when your design are not okay. There's this thing of this design is not good. Oh, if I post it now, the truth is, if the design is not okay, you have nothing to lose. Rather, it will be there, it will be saved there as your throwback. You reference people that okay, this is when I was starting, and this is when I worked on my skill and I level my skill to another level. So if your design is not up to standard, don't be ashamed to put it out there. There are people who is also praying to get to the level that you are currently. That's just the true fact of everything that we're doing. So just post your design, join Facebook group, post in the group regularly, and don't be in a rush to host any classes as a beginner. Even as a pro, there is a level you will get to, and that level is just to build your brand online. Don't be in a rush to host classes. Though we'll talk about this some of the mistakes that graphic designer make them to stay within a cycle. We'll talk about this one, but let's just focus on how to get clients now. Post regularly on this Facebook group, and before you know, you get a job from there. Then lastly, do free job. I know this thing will stand strange to some persons. I'm looking for money and you're telling me to do free job. Do free jobs. Now, find a pastor. Now, when I say do free job, don't just go ahead and start doing free job for people. No. Now, it's a strategy you create just to get what you're looking for. So now, find a pastor or a small business that is starting, an organization that is starting. And even if they do not need graphic designer, just tell them the importance of your your profession in the business. That okay, Masi, if you use graphic designer in this your business, it will facilitate your advert online. People online will also know that okay, this things like this is in existence. Even when you're sleeping, my design will also do the advert for you online. Just try to convince them that even when you're selling physically, you can also pull this thing out online, and people will also come to you and come to buy from you. So now do it free. Now, when you do it free, do it with all your mind, do it as if it's a paid job, because you automatically get recommendation from there. So any recommendation you get from those people, that's where you start making your money from. Mostly for the pastors. They also have their pastor friends. So when they post the design on their WhatsApp status or post it on their social media handle, if the design is intriguing, if the design is amazing and presentable, their pastor friend will ask you, who did this design, or recommend me your church flyer design. As a matter of fact, 100% of the job I'm getting today came as a result of recommendation, because there was this person I was working for. No, he wasn't paying me. I'm the one that asked him not to pay. He didn't pay me. But a lot of job that I've done so far, even the one I'm working on currently, came through him, and also came through these majors that I've just told you guys, especially the joining of the Facebook group. A lot of jobs actually came from there. So just put everything that I've said into practice, and you can also do it to listen to this video again and again and again, and also jot it down and put it into practice, and see how your graphics life will just transform. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next tutorial. Share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.